Welcome back to our channel. Congratulations to all our new moms. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most exciting aspects of your baby's first year, their milestones. From their very first smile to those adorable wobbly steps, we're going to cover the first 10 milestones your baby will reach. So, let's dive right in. Milestone 1. The enchanting first smile. Around 6 to 8 weeks, you'll witness that heart-melting moment when your baby flashes their first genuine smile. Cherish it, it's their way of saying, "I love you." Milestone 2. Hello, hands. At around 3 to 4 months, your little one will discover their hands. They'll amuse themselves by grabbing and exploring objects around them. Get ready for lots of adorable hand-waving. Milestone 3. The rolling revolution. Between 4 to 6 months, your baby will surprise you by rolling over from their back to their tummy and vice versa. Time to baby-proof everything. Milestone 4. Sitting upright. Around 6 to 8 months, your little adventurer will sit unsupported, showcasing their growing strength and balance. Remember to surround them with pillows for added support. Milestone 5. Baby Babble Bonanza. From 6 to 9 months, your baby will start making delightful sounds, coos, gurgles, and those precious first attempts at saying mama or dada. Get ready for adorable conversations. Milestone 6. The crawl-a-thon begins. Between 7 to 10 months, your baby will start crawling, exploring their surroundings with newfound independence. Time to baby-proof even more. Milestone 7. Pulling up and cruising. At around 9 to 12 months, your baby will amaze you by pulling themselves up to stand and even taking their first wobbly steps while holding onto furniture. Watch out, world. Milestone 8. A round of applause. At around 9 to 12 months, your little one will discover their hands are not just for grabbing but also for clapping. Prepare for endless rounds of applause for their achievements. Milestone 9. Baby's first words. Between 10 to 14 months, your baby will start uttering their first words, like mama, dada, or even the family pet's name. Time to celebrate every word with joy. Milestone 10. Take those steps. Between 10 to 15 months, get ready for the moment you've been waiting for, your baby's first steps. Prepare your camera because it's going to be a memory you'll cherish forever. And there you have it, the first 10 milestones your baby will reach. Each one is a precious milestone on your little one's incredible journey of growth and development. Remember, every baby is unique and reaches these milestones at their own pace, so don't worry if it's a little different for your little one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel with other awesome parents like you. See you next time.